it's not going great, I gotta be honest with you. I got a good technique going when it comes to mixing a lot of concrete, but I think we're expecting rain suddenly. And I say suddenly, this is the thing with British weather, you just don't know when you're gonna get rain and whatever, so I'm just gonna have to work half and half. Anyways, all I'm doing, I'm skimming here this long piece of chopping motion, skimming off excess. Here's a makeshift stand. Anyways, so if I'm honest with you, it's going alright. Okay, because I got a good technique going, I seem to be doing alright. Managed to get all that done in an hour on my own as well. The mixing's been okay because I've been using that hoe and my drill. Actually, believe it or not, the drill's fine. What I'm doing is I'm mixing sand and cement first, and then watering that down. Once I've mixed the two thoroughly, and then with plenty of water, I'm able to use my drill piece. Thereafter, just add the chipping, and so you get this. Then you mix that a bit. It's going all right, but looks like I'm facing a dilemma whether to continue or call it a day. Maybe get on with this tomorrow, or maybe once the rain stops. But if it rains, I gotta cover this.